Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a minute, right? It's been a long time you saw this face. So today is Friday and I want to take you through a typical day at work, a typical day in my life at work, you know, working with TV and all of those things. So basically my morning started off great and then I read a message that made it blue. So I'm hosting a show today and one of my guests just bailed on me. Like she said she can't go through with it again for some reasons, and you know, this is somebody I've been talking with since Tuesday, you know, since this week. It's just something we knew. So every plans have been made for her, the scripts, the everything. Like, so she called me this morning, and I know that things like this happen in media, like if not just in media but in life. I mean, you plan something and just at the dying minute it doesn't work out that way, but I didn't know I'll be experiencing this quite early, right? So what do I do, or what have you got me to do, or whatever? So I just had to quickly come up with an idea, and the idea was to call one of our presenters here to fill in for her, right? So, and the good thing is that the presenter is new. She hasn't been on any show yet, so she's going to be like a fresh face to it, and let's see how it goes through. So although I'm going to make some changes to the script and everything, but at the end of the day we'll have to deliver what we have to deliver, right? And that is it. Guys, I must be very honest with you. Being on TV is actually very different from vlogging right now, right? Because, you know, before now I thought I was the super cool presenter and all that. Although I don't know, I told you guys in the first video about this job that I'm not really like a presenter, right? I wasn't employed as a presenter. I was employed for something way bigger than presenter, like way tasking than presenter. I was fortunate to interview some of the presenters I applied to work here, and one thing I realized these days, a lot of people would have it at the back of their mind, oh, I can present. Perhaps they've told them, or they know they speak good, and perhaps they have nice accent, and just automatically they feel, oh, I'm a great presenter, right? So most of those people, some of those people, when they come in and we're like, okay, so would have to give you a screen test, right? So once it's screen test time, you find out that these people are like far away from being a presenter. Some smart ones realize that, and you know, they opted to apply for interns here. So some of them are working as interns here, while they will, like, say, overzealous ones, or I don't know, the ones you cannot talk to, they feel like, oh, you guys are not serious, you don't know what you're missing and all that. They just left. But some other people, although there are good people, right? So that is that. So I'm going to get my face done now, and maybe I'll take you guys through it, and we'll see once I'm done. I gave you a task to do. You could have told me that you cannot do the task based on these things, but you let me believe that everything is going on well. But the only problem is that you come in late yesterday. So throughout yesterday I didn't hear from you. Today you're waltzing in. Okay, let me hear. What happened?
I wanted to come. Yeah, I wanted to do the video, but I will go fix my phone in the morning and then come and do everything. And when I went to fix my phone, my battery. It's not happening again, man.
I'm not sure it will. So have you fixed your phone now?
Yes.
Alright. Please let me get something from the car downstairs. My phone. Look for it. Just when you look through the distance, what is it called? Sorry, so let me get my key. Just when you open the car, from the driver's side, you would see my phone just underneath the radio. Please. Hey, why you came late today? What happened?
I took my nephew to school.
Oh.
You're preparing yourself.
This person, and this is what a producer's job looks like. A lot of supervisions, quality control, quality checks, running errands, and, you know, ensuring that things are running smoothly and all of that. And to be honest, it's quite daunting, guys. And then producing and hosting the same show is quite daunting, if there is a word like that. Anyways, let's see how I pull through handling both roles. Analyzing their outfit. I will also get to the list in the order of appearance. Yeah. Of the pictures, so that he can align it with the videos. He has the videos, so that he can present them in order.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Are you drying from your place? Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call all your bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh.
Alright, 1, 2, and 3.
What if I told you that despite Nigeria being on top? Okay, hey guys, so I am done, and really it was really intense, a lot intense, but finally we are done, and yeah, I'm back to the dressing room again, so I'm going to change now because I can't wear this and keep waltzing up and down the office. And that is that. So moving on, we have a training now, so there are a couple of people that came from outside town to train us, so I'll be joining them. I'm not sure I'll take this camera along, or do I may or may not, but if I don't, this is where we'll be ending this vlog. And thank you for watching so much, and remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and I'll see you next time. Come on, say hi. See Natalie. Yeah. Like I really had to say that on set, like yeah, the much needed push. I'm just thinking someone is going to produce the show moving forward.
Yes, there was enough content. There was enough content. So
Say Jumai, our co-hosts.
hi guys. What's your name? Was it
Yay!
Every episode.
Yeah, he's going to. Yeah,
We have a long way to go.
a very long way.
Be better.
Of course. Because I wanted to take off, but I'm like, I just in my mind, this is not my normal me, this is not my normal me, but let me just keep doing it. I'll not have a normal me and unset me and all that. So that's that.
Had a lot of fun though.
So check it out.
And make sure you watch it
Afia
on Afia TV.
Afia TV.
Yeah. It's actually Afia TV on YouTube. Then every other social media platform is Afia TV official. Yeah, when we launch on DSTV, just look for Afia. Look for Afia, and you see all of these faces. Especially on our morning show, gang. Our gang. You don't producing morning show.
That's 6
But
a.m.
see, you're an amazing producer, honestly.
Yeah,
You're an amazing producer.
I know.
No, you're an amazing producer.
Thank
Because
you.
the truth is, for people to present, they need content. Without content, a show cannot be amazing. And
It's
we
cannot.
had enough content.
We had more than enough.
More than
Four.
4. Actually, Vera sat down here from 10 a.m. to about past 6.
Yeah. It was past 6, just to 7.
Calling people, sourcing. Come on.
Nah.
Sourcing content.
We have to say that again on the mic.
She actually stayed here from 10 a.m. to past 6 prepping for this show, the second episode of Extravaganza. Like calling people, waiting on people to send things, typing. Nah, clap, no, snap. This is how you clap in the studio.
No, he's an amazing producer.
Amazing producer. You cannot miss this episode of Extravaganza.
No.
You can't. We're gonna have it on loop in the office, like all day. All day. Talk about content, style, everything. You have to tune in. On point.
Thank you guys.
And then you have the beautiful Jumai who just had to join impromptu this
I told
morning.
you guys the main guest disappointed, and I was like, then I realized I called Natalie first. Natalie was like, okay, it's not her thing. She's doing business and lifestyle.
Businesswoman.
I was like, okay, the next person to call is Juma. And Juma really, she ate it.
Ate everything.
You wouldn't even know that she wasn't aware as of yesterday that she was on set.
Yes.
And for me, I was, to be honest, guys, to be a producer and a presenter is not easy.
It's not.
My mind
It's not.
places like it was like, are we doing it right? Okay,
Yeah.
I have to smile as a presenter.
Nah.
It's not easy, but I'm grateful of it.
It went really well. I can't wait for it to be out. I
Just
can't
check
wait.
out the beautiful faces you'll be seeing on Afia. So make sure you're watching Afia. Make sure to watch Afia. Then the breakfast show is going to be the bomb because it's going to be so different from every other thing you've watched. And just like Juma and Natalie said, I'm a good producer.
She is a good
I'm
producer.
amazing, very patient producer.
From Southeast to the world.
To the world, broadcasting worldwide.
We global.
Worldwide. Worldwide, yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
guys, so let's get ready for our trainings and all that. So, peace here.
Peace out. Until next time. I know, right?
Okay. I'll even use that as a thumbnail. Alright, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back to status quo. This is me. I'm wearing a black shirt and a black pants, and I can tell you that this is the most boring outfit I've worn to work ever. Seriously. You guys need to check my Instagram page to find out more about my outfit. I don't spend a lot, right? But I just try to look good. But let me go join others for the training. And thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and on the very next episode I'll tell you my exact role in this place. I know you guys are wondering like what I do. I'll tell you all about that. Bye.